In this lecture, we are going to learn how to give constraint definition to the sketch. If you want to fix any profile, then select the profile and go to constraint definition. Select fix, OK. Now this line is fixed and fully defined. This time select this line and fix it, OK. Now this line is also fixed. Now draw a line and draw one circle. This time we will coincident this circle on this line. Select this point, press and hold Ctrl key and select this center. Go to constraint definition and make them coincidence. OK. Now you can see that the circle is coincident to the line. Undo this by pressing Ctrl plus Z. Now this time we will coincident this line to the center of this circle. Select this point, press Ctrl key and select this point. Make them coincidence. OK. Now you can see that the line is coincident to the circle. Now delete this sketch. Now draw two circles. This time we will concentric this circle to this circle. Select this circle, press Ctrl key and select this circle and make them concentric. OK. Undo the sketch. This time we will concentric this circle to this circle. Select this circle, press Ctrl key and select this circle. Make them concentric. OK. Now you can see that both the circle have same center, that is concentric. Delete this sketch, draw a circle and draw a line. First fix this circle. Now select this circle and this line and give tangency definition. Now you can see that the line is tangent to the circle. Delete the sketch and draw two lines. Select this line and give parallelism definition to them. This will make both lines parallel to each other. You can see this parallel sign here. Now select this line and give a horizontal definition. Now you can see that it have a two constraint definition, that is horizontal and parallelism. Draw another line. Select this line and give a vertical definition to it. Again select this line and give a perpendicular definition to them. Now you can see that this line is directed at 90 degree, that is perpendicular to this line. Now draw a circle to this point. Now you can see that it automatically took a tangency constraint to this line. To delete this constraint, select the constraint and press delete key. So this was the constraint definition command in Catia.